What if I told you that in the next 30 minutes, you could build a professional website that would normally cost $5,000 without writing a single line of code, without hiring anyone, and for less than the cost of launch? I'm about to prove it to you live right now. And if you follow along with me, you will have your own website published on the internet by the end of this video. But here is the catch. There's a hidden feature I'm going to review at the 6-minute mark that makes this 10 times more powerful. So don't skip ahead. Let's build. Here is the reality. Most people think building a website is one of these three things. 1. Pay a developer $5,000 and wait 6 weeks. 2. Spend months learning WordPress and lose your mind. 3. Use some garbage templates from 2010. And while they're stuck in this circle, the 1% are using AI to build professional sites in under an hour. Watch this. That's a complete business website, homepage, blog, contact forms, built by AI in 60 seconds. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. But first, you need the right tool. The tool is called Hostinger. And right now, they are running an insane Black Friday deal that you need to jump on. Click the link in the description, it takes you right here. Premium plan, 24 months. Normally expensive, right? But with code Richey, R-I-C-H-E-Y, you get it for 2,900 Naira per month, equivalent to around $2 per month. That is 78% off. Now, quick reality check. Over 2 million websites runs on Hostinger. Companies you have probably heard of. This isn't some sketchy tool. This is what professionals use. And the AI builder is brand new and is stupid powerful. So here is what we are doing. I'm going to sign up right now, build a complete business website in real time, and you are going to follow along. Deal, right? Let's go. All right, I'm on the checkout page. Premium plan, 24 months. Boom. Now, coupon code RICHEY. Enter that. Discount applied. 78% off logged in. Email, password, payment info. I'm flying through this because I want to get to the build. And done. We are in. Okay, this is the dashboard. Click add website, then Hostinger website builder. Now, here is where it gets interesting. You can use a template or you can let AI build it for you. We are going AI. Click create with AI. Now, it's asking for a brand name and description. And here is a pro tip. The more details you have, the better the AI performs. Watch. Brand name, let's say Scale Masters. Description: we help entrepreneurs scale from 6 to 7 figures through proven systems, team building, and mindset coaching. Now, I'm going to hit create website and let the AI cook. This takes about 60 seconds, so why it's working? Quick note, if you are following along and you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and I personally help you out. I read every comment. Alright, back to it, and boom, look at this. In 60 seconds, it built me a complete homepage with hero section, about section, services, testimonials, contact form, everything. Now, most people stop here and think they are done, but watch what happens when I customize this. This is the drag and drop editor. Everything is customizable. Let me show you how fast this is. Change the headline, double click, type, done. Scale your business to 7 figures. Boom. Change the image, click seconds, replace image, search business coaching, select, done. 5. Add a new section. Click this plus button. Choose from hundreds of pre-built blogs, services, testimonials, pricing, whatever you need. I'm adding a service section there. Now I can customize the text icons, colors, or drag and drop. Now here is where most people mess up. They try to do too much. Keep it simple. 3 section marks on your home page. Hero, services, contact form. That's it. Don't overcomplicate. And remember, that hidden feature I mentioned at the beginning, we're about to use it right now. Alright, this is the feature that changes everything. Most people don't even know this exists. It's called the AI Content Writer, and it writes your entire website copy for you. Watch this. I'm going to ask to write a description for my coaching services. I give it a few details, and in 10 seconds, look at that. Professional copy that I can use as is, or customize. Yes, this is what will have taken you hours or cost you hundreds of dollars for a copywriter. This is how the 1% move fast. While everyone else is stuck writing copy, you are already done. Now let's add a blog and publish this thing. Adding a blog is stupid simple. Click pages and navigation. Click add page, select blog, done. You now have a blog. Want to add post? Click this blog icon, add the new post, and you can either write it yourself or use the AI blog generator. Give it a topic. It writes the entire post with images. I'm not even joking. Now, contact form. Scroll to the bottom of your own page. There is already one here. Click it. Edit form. Make sure this email is your email so you can actually get the messages. And one more thing. Click this phone icon to see mobile view. Everything auto adjusts, but double check it looks good. Perfect. Let's get this live on the internet. Alright, moment of truth. Click go live at the bottom right. Now, it's asking for a domain. Remember, you get a free domain for 1 year with Hostinger. Let's claim it. I'm going to try scamemasters.com. Available, yeah. Perfect. Click next. It's registered the domain and done. Click publish and we are live. Good. Let me open it in a tab. Here it is. scamemasters.com, a fully functional professional business website that we built in 22 minutes, and it looks like we paid an agency $5,000 to build it. This is what I meant when I said the 1% executes fast, while everyone else is planning. You just launched. Now, let me tell you why this actually matters, and I want you to really hear this. Speed is everything in business. The faster you can get your website live, the faster you can start making money. And most people, they spend 6 months getting ready instead of just launching. Remember at the beginning when I said the 1% use AI to move fast? This is exactly what I meant. Why the 99% are stuck paying developers or learning WordPress? You just built a professional website in 22 minutes. How many business ideas have died because someone waited too long to launch? How much money have you left on the table because you didn't have a website to capture leads? Don't let that be you. The 1% don't wait for perfect. They launch, they iterate, they win. And now you have the tool to do exactly that. Alright, so here is what you need to do right now. And I mean right now. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below. It takes you to the Hostinger Black Friday sale. Select the premium plan, 24 months. At checkout, enter code Richey, RICHEY, and you get 78% off. 2,900 Naira per month. That is around $2 per month. Now, here is the thing. This deal ends December 7th. That is exactly 10 days or 15 days from now. Really don't know? After that, the price goes back up and you will be kicking yourself for not taking action. Look, I just showed you step by step how to build a $5,000 website in 22 minutes. There's no excuse anymore. No, I don't know how. No, I can't afford it. No, I do it later. Click the link in the description below. Use code Richey. Build your website today, and once you do, drop a comment and show me what you built. I want to see it. I read every comment and I'm genuinely excited to see what you create. If you get value from this, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I see you in the next one. Now, go build something. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.